3 big reasons to use black granite countertops. Dear friends, countertops are an integral part of interior design. They can make or mar the vision of a home. Therefore, we must make our best efforts when designing the countertops. As far as natural stones go, granite is the cream of the crop. These rocks have the tenacity and toughness typical of granitic rocks. The same factor contributes to their widespread appeal. In this video, we will understand why using black granite on your countertops will enhance the beauty of your home by making it exquisite. Advantages of using black granite countertops. Durability. Black granite is known for its durability, strength, and resistance to wear and tear. The high pressure and stress used to form this igneous rock give it a high level of resilience. Thus, black granite stands out in areas like countertops that bear the most stress. Apart from this, the versatility of black granite is unmatchable. Black is always considered classy since it exudes sophistication. Low maintenance. The dirt that accumulates on black granite is not as noticeable because of the color. Additionally, black granite is easy to clean. You need a cleaning cloth, some warm water, and some kind of cleaner. Stain resistance. If cleaned and maintained correctly, black granite can last a lifetime. This is because granite stone is extremely tough and, therefore, resistant to stains and spills. Stone's resistance to stains is a major contributing factor to its longevity. Conclusion. With this newfound knowledge, installing black granite countertops in your kitchen and bathroom will be an easy decision. If you want your home to stand out from the crowd, consider installing some black granite countertops. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.